What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, KaiserZR2. My name is Tyler, and in today's video, I will be installing the Oscar Overland Shovel Plus Axe Secure Truck Bed Mount. So I was super excited to do this video for Arik over at Oscar Overland, as I've always wanted a nice secure way to mount a shovel and an axe in my truck and just kind of leave it there permanently without having to worry so much about theft of it. Arik's intention with this shovel plus axe mount, it was basically to have a full size shovel and an axe in there, but I just utilized it for my mini shovel and an axe I had. So it works good for that case too. The case itself is powder coated, made out of aluminum, and has a stainless steel hinge in it, so you know it's going to last forever on the back of my truck. I feel confident about that. Also comes with these quick fists, which are super nice. It's just a super quick way to quickly unlatch and grab your axe or shovel when you need it, and then you can quickly put it back up. No real hassle there. That's always nice. I did send an email to Arik over at Oscar Overland. I saw this at my local Overland shop, Pacific Outfitters. Big shout out to those guys. And I really digged it. And then I noticed it was made in Oregon. So I decided just to reach out to them, see if I could do a video for him and change for the product. So he did give this shovel and axe mount to me for free for purpose of making this video for you guys. So I'll leave a link below where you can find his website, as well as the links to this shovel and axe mount if you guys are curious. He designed it to mount to bed rails, basically. So if you had like a Tacoma or something, it would work perfect in there, whereas our Colorados don't have that. So I ended up going the Molly panel route. So that's, if you watch my previous video, that's why I put the Molly panel in there, mainly so I could secure this shovel and axe mount to the truck bed, which I'm super glad I did. It's super discreet, looks super clean, and with the updated build I plan on doing, which you guys will probably see in the next couple months, it's going to be perfectly tight and secure up in the bed and not accessible by anyone except myself. A quick unboxing of this. Obviously, you get the case. You get the keys for the lock for the case. You get two little mounting brackets for it, as well as the quick fist in it. And that's basically it. There's not a whole lot to it. It's all kind of pre-built like this. It works out good. It's like super easy to install, which you guys will see next. The supplied hardware for this are 15 millimeter, so that's literally all you need. So let's just break right into the install of this. So basically, I just jump in the back of the truck first, and I kind of take my shovel and axe mount and kind of play it around to see where it would be a good fit for the Molly panel to allow my shovel and my axe to both mount in there evenly, as well as I want to still have access to it to reach over the bed and unlock it and grab what I needed like that as well. Following up with that, once I figured out where I wanted it, I kind of made a little mark on either side of it where the brackets were going to go, just so I keep better track of it. And then the next step is I ended up taking off the Molly panel, which is super easy. It's just 6 little screws you pop out and the whole thing comes off. So my first step here is I'm taking my brackets and sliding them underneath the Molly panel in the position where I want my shovel and axe mount to fit. Next step is to take your shovel and axe mount, place it on top of the Molly panel over the brackets, and from there you screw in your 4 bolts using a 15 millimeter wrench, as you can see here. And it's literally as simple as that, and the shovel and axe mount is officially secured to my Molly panel. Now that the shovel and axe mount is secured to the Molly panel, here you can see I'm just putting the Molly panel back onto the bedside of the truck in the supplied mounts, basically. Next step is to just put your shovel and axe in there with using the supplied quick fist, basically. And here I'm just locking it and giving it a little shake and make sure everything's nice and secured in there, and we're good to go. And this is what it looks like. It's almost glorious finished product. My favorite part about this shovel and axe mount is the fact that it is lockable. I really enjoy that. I've been looking for something like that. I know some people just use the quick fist in the back or on their rail systems or rack systems, whatever they have, and I just don't like that. I live in a pretty safe area, but I also venture out to like the city sometimes and whatnot, and I didn't like the idea of having it in there. And I know I could just take it off when not in use, but I really just want to be able to have it in there and leave it in there and kind of forget about it. And as you can see here, with the case on the side of the MOLLE panel where I have it mounted, I can easily undo the lock, open the case, standing on the side of the truck, and undo the quick fist and grab whatever. If I need my shovel or my axe, I grab either one very easily and get to work with it. I guess quick little pros and cons of this. Pros, I mean, I love the fact it's lockable. It's easy to install. It's very universal install. Like, you can come up with many different ways you want to mount this to any kind of surface you want it to, as well as just the size of it. And I love the logo he has for Oscar Overland, because I love dogs, and the little dog on there is super awesome. That's actually his dog's name, Oscar. That's I think that's where he came up with the whole Oscar Overland. But the guy's name is Arik. Like I said before, I'll leave a link below where you can find his website, as well as a product link to this shovel and axe mount itself. You can find all that in the description below or right here. As far as cons go, I don't have any at this time. But yeah, I actually met Arik in person. Cool dude. I'll leave a link to his Instagram below as well. He drives a nice Tacoma. But yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Big shout out to Oscar Overland and Arik. Really appreciate you, man. And yeah, if you guys found this video useful or are new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to see more content like this. Check out all my previous videos. I basically just showcase how to install mobs video for you guys to give you guys inspiration and also help you guys out in any way I can. If you guys want me to do a specific install for something, let me know in the comments below or DM me on Instagram and I will get back to you. I reply back to every comment and every message I receive. So really appreciate all the support you guys been giving me. Yeah, I'm trying to hit 2,000 subs by the end of this year, and I'm hoping you guys can help me make that happen. I have some big plans for the truck coming up. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I previously picked up a soft topper on Facebook Marketplace. You gotta love that. It's a really good deal, couldn't pass it up. And I'm talking to another company right now about possibly getting a partnership going with them. I'll find out in Q3 when I have to email them back and find out more information about that. But hopefully it works out and I have a dope video and I have a whole new setup for the truck. As much as I like the headache rack system I have back there right now for the dirt bikes and stuff, I'm kind of leaning on going a different way with it now. Maybe building a more overlandish rig. My buddy has a trailer we could haul dirt bikes with, so there's really no need for me to have to put them in the bid anymore. So I'm super pumped about that. I can actually do what I want with my truck now, the way I want to see it built, basically. And yeah, that's it for this one, guys. I'll catch you guys on the flip side.